Okay, I have gave the club page design already. So another thing, like for the individual club designs, what I found the issue to be was, okay, the whole the whole website is like very dark theme, and suddenly when we click on a club, it's like very bright and colorful, which is actually a good thing. But the colors aren't going that well with each other. Like for example, ikat, like, oops, yeah, uh, the yellow color isn't that contrasty with the pink, and even these whites are really like they're really too bright. They're too bright, and they aren't going that well together. And even this blue and this yellow, it's not that great. And one thing I didn't find that good was the text and the gallery. It's like side by side, it's not that good. uh, like people have to click on this, and you can't really appreciate these pics because they are like just a small square. So it would be better if it's like a huge rectangle pic, or each pic is different sizes. Like, I'll let you know the reason why I'm making the video is I'm not able to design the website. I mean the design. Even the AI is not able to do it. Something This is something you have to directly code it. So I found this sample website which is like really good. It's of Stanford Fashion X Club, like some fashion club. So if I reload it, yeah, so we can have our club logo over here, like the square logo. Oops. Yeah, the square logo which open, like which displays when we open each club. We can have the same square thing over here whenever we open our club page. It like fades in like this, and we have VR, and the club name is gonna be at the bottom over here. And on this side we can have one statement pic of that club, one a really good pic. And also look at the background. Like we can keep this black background for every club, I guess, or we can personalize it or customize it for each club separate colors. But even keeping it just this textured background would work really great. And as we scroll, yeah, we have text and an image, like a few images grouped together, and even the background is like textured. And yeah, the club is like, this page is like really good. And a bit of text and some images of different sizes, and some more text, some images, and some links, and yeah, another image, and some other stuff, and like their handles and all. Yeah, we have to include this different sizes of images, different places, and also these kind of accent stuff, I guess, some little bits of stickers and all. And yeah, as you can see, the text on this is very minimal. You have just one, two, three paragraphs, and I think we can fit these 3 points about Exosia, what we do, and our events, these three things, the same way how they kept it about what we do and our events. And we can put these huge headings of different colors, different sizes, and even the images could be different sizes and all. And also the way their images load, like different ways, like some are sliding left to right, some are sliding top to bottom and all. So we have to implement that. And at the bottom, they didn't include it at the bottom. They have a separate page, but we can include it at the bottom. We can add this part. As you can see, the whole website has this background of this some textured fabric kind of thing. And they have a 2x2 layout, but and they have a whole page dedicated to it. We don't need to do this much. We can like reduce it further, like a row for coordinators, and a row for advisors, a row for coordinators, and maybe 2 rows for subcoords. And also I'd like to point out how they wrote their subheadings and stuff. Like currently what we have is like about us and what we do, our events. But how they kept it was like, instead of just keeping about us, since it's a fashion club, they wrote something really cool, like leveraging fashion as a medium to empower Stanford's creatives. So we can write something similar to this for each club. So like if we take ICAT for example, they can just copy this, leveraging fashion as a medium to empower IIT Patna's creatives. And yeah, we can also write something like this for cooking, the Epicurean or something like that. So you can give all these tasks to the individual clubs, like they have to come up with a tagline and the statement pick and about their club, what they want to display on that and all. Maybe like you can pass a Google form and collect all of these things, and then you'll just have to put these texts and paragraphs in the website and photos in the website. Even if you see, instead of just writing our events, they wrote check out our latest projects and events, and then they have a small paragraph of that. So yeah, we can just easily copy paste this website, I feel like, and just tailor it for IIT Patna clubs.